The error code OWSWS00001 on an HP printer indicates a problem with the device's wireless connection. When the printer is unable to connect to the internet, it cannot register, and as a result, it will not function. This error is often caused by an unstable internet connection, which can prevent the printer from completing its setup process. Another common cause is incorrect hardware setup, where packaging materials are not properly removed before setting up the printer, potentially interfering with the process and triggering the error code. Outdated printer firmware can also be a culprit, as it may hinder the printer's ability to connect to the internet, especially if the printer has not received regular maintenance. To resolve this issue, one solution is to connect the printer to the internet using the touchscreen panel. This can be done by accessing the control panel, tapping the home icon, and then tapping the question mark icon if a setup message appears. From there, exit the current process and navigate to the firmware update window, choosing the preferred option and saving the changes. The home screen will then open, allowing access to the wireless setup or network setup menu. The wireless setup wizard can be initiated, and on-screen instructions can be followed to select the network name and enter the password, completing the process. For printers without a touch panel, the process involves pressing cancel to exit sleep mode, then pressing and holding the information icon until all control panel buttons are lit. The wireless and cancel buttons must be pressed and released simultaneously, causing the wireless icon on the control panel to light up. Setting up the printer's hardware is also essential, which includes accessing the printer's door, removing all packaging materials and tape, and removing any cardboard between the tape and paper trays. After these steps are completed, the printer doors should be closed, and the power button pressed. Returning to the error code window and clicking Try Again may then resolve the issue. Updating the printer's firmware is another potential solution. This can be achieved by downloading the HP Smart app, logging in with credentials, selecting the printer, and navigating to the